Hi there, today we're going to make a really simple mask with honey and yoghurt. So I have in here a couple of spoonfuls of fresh natural yoghurt, and I'm going to be using Sina common honey. Liquid honey is better because obviously it mixes better. The good thing about having local honey is that it is made within your local area, and therefore if you drink it, it can help you with allergies. So if you make a little honey and lemon drink, it can help you with things like high pollen counts to reduce the effects of that, and it can also, it's a really good antioxidant. So if you can get local honey, then that's amazing. If you can't, then just get a nice good quality runny honey, let's call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of the honey into the container, probably, roughly about 2 tablespoons full. And you need to just mix it thoroughly to make sure that you've got a nice consistency. Pop a bit more in. Try not to spill it everywhere this time. The good thing about honey is, as a facial mask, is first of all, it's a really good cleanser. So it really does cleanse the pores, and in cleansing the pores, it also removes dead skin. So it's like giving you an exfoliation without harsh scrubbing. Okay, I've put it in this little tub, because obviously afterwards what I can do is I can pop the lid on and I can put that in the fridge for later, so I don't need to use it all. So the other thing is with honey is it's a natural hydrant. So excuse my strange lady's face, but I'll just show you how to apply. It's probably best to apply with a brush, and what you want to do is to apply across the forehead, which is obviously not good on this drawing because it's going through the hair, which is not what you should be doing, and then onto the face, around the eyes. You don't want to go too close to the eyes, down the sides, all along the face. Under the nose. You can even actually put it across the lips, because it would be really good for dry lips. Okay, so once you've got a good layer all over the face, you can then pop on some eye pads, which you could look at one of my earlier videos which shows you how to make the cucumber and green tea eye pads, which are really good for puffy eyes and circles. So you want to leave this on for probably about 20 minutes and just lay down, relax, maybe listen to some gentle music while you do it, so you get a good relaxation. Now this honey mask can be used by anybody. As I said before, it cleanses the pores, it removes dead cells from your skin, so it's a natural exfoliant. But it's also antibacterial, so therefore anyone who has issues with acne or puffy spots, then this is a natural anti-inflammatory and a natural antibacterial, so it's going to help with that. It's a natural hydrant, so it's going to make your skin more moist. It's going to plump the skin and moisturize it and hydrate it all at the same time. Because it has nutrients and enzymes, that's what helps it to plump and hydrate, but it's also anti-aging, and therefore it will repair damage, reduce wrinkles, helps with scar healing. And with the antioxidants, they also include polyphenol and flavonoids, which also help to improve the skin, improve the texture of the skin. And as I said before, you're getting moisturisation, hydration. It's basically doing everything that you need in a facial, but just in one mask. So you're cleansing, you're exfoliating, you're moisturising the skin, you're getting the antioxidants in there, and you can reduce fine lines, and you're hydrating your skin. So you should find that when you've finished with your 20 minutes, you've had your relaxation, that your eyes won't be as puffy, your skin will be plumped, hydrated and radiant. And all you need to do is to make this very, very simple mask to get all of those things. So I'm going to pop the lid on here, because obviously I didn't use an awful lot, so therefore I can put that in the fridge and reuse as I wish. Probably won't keep it for more than 2 to 3 days, but this is such a gentle mask that you can actually use it daily, and it will benefit you using it daily. I hope you've enjoyed the video and that you'll give this a try. I'd like to see comments from any of you who've got them, who try it, and you know, and even if you want to laugh at my little demonstration with this beautiful lady here with a bun on her head. Thanks a lot for listening. When you have been laying down for a while with this mask on, be careful when you get up, because if you have relaxed, you may feel a little bit dizzy or a bit sluggish when you first get up, because your blood pressure could have dropped. So be careful, and have a lovely big glass of fresh water or cucumber water to help aid the detoxification. Hope you watch some of my other videos, and if you subscribe, you'll get notifications as and when they go up. Thanks for listening.